What if your backyard looked like this, and your workshop was already built, insulated, and ready to roll? We're talking about 3 beautifully cleared acres in Laclede County, fully fenced, and just 300 feet from the Gasconade River. This 38 by 31 foot shop is a beast. 14-foot tall walls, concrete slab, electric door opener, fully insulated, making it perfect for year-round projects or secure storage. Need extra room? There's a loft with 248 square foot of floor space, ideal for storage, an office, or turning into your ultimate hangout. And check this out, a full-length lean-to off the back, perfect for parking your camper, boat, or tractor under 950 square foot of cover. Whether you're dreaming of starting a hobby farm, a place to build a home, or just a quiet place to breathe, this place checks all the boxes. High ground, no flood zone, and peace that only the Missouri Ozarks can offer, all within reach. I'm Geoff Knoll with the Noble Team, brokered by eXp Realty, and I would love to show you this slice of Laclede County heaven.